Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Pete. You're watching Pete J. Cooper, the model builder. Wow, can't get out of my words. And we're going on with the Lancaster Bomber. On the side camera here, you see the Lancaster Bomber where we are at this moment. There are a little bit more things on there and there's a lot of wiring coming out, but we're going on with this one. I've got two packs, 49 and 50 to do. I've did a little thing already on that 49. So let's get straight into this. Let me show you the magazine and let's go on. Oh, I didn't tell you what kind of sustenance I have today. As you can see right there, English tea going down in an R2-D2. Cheers. And good morning. So, 49, as you can see right there, Lancaster Bomber. Tailwheel is what we're building. We can't put it on yet, but this is what we're building. And as you can see right there, that we need hot water for to put that in. And I've done that yesterday, as you can see right there. Putting them together, you really need hot water. You can't just push it in. And then we put that pin in that we have right. Well, right there. But you see it, right? Yeah, right there. And Lancaster's in action. Tail wheel, as you can see right there. That's what we're building at the moment. And then another Lancaster, the NX611. What did I weigh? Empty weight? 16,932 kilos, or 37,000 OLB. This one of the high command people that have done a lot, or the champion of big wing fighter tactics. There you go. Lee Mallory. And that is what we're going to do in the next one. We're going to be building onto the frame that we have right here, but we're starting with this wheel. So let's get everything in position. So let's do that. And do we need an extra light? I don't think so. Well, it helps. So we put that underneath. We push that from the other side. Push that together, and that is what we have. Then we get this one out. It's early in the morning, guys. It's 8:11 at the moment, so all right, we're gonna put them together like so. And is there one size that is a little bit? No. Usually when you do these, there's one size that's a little bit thinner. Let's try it again. There we go. And I think we need a hammer, and I can't hammer on the table because it's early in the morning. There we go. It's in, and it moves properly. And that's all we do in this stage. The tail wheel has been assembled. It will be fitted to the model in future issue. So we're going to put that away. Put this away. Let's put that with the magazine. And let's have a look what we do in 50. There we go. 50. And identification lights, as you can see right there. We're going to get those back and put them through, as you can see right there. This is the rear gun turret, as you can see, the factory. John Deering Nettleton. The de Havilland Mosquito. And we're going to get more next time. Let's open that box. As we're going to use them, it's always good to undo this and then make sure that there are no kinks in that cable, which makes it all easier to put everything together. Hold one side very good and then just push it through, as you see right there, and then you've got a nice cable. We've got FM screws and some plastic. Let's do that with these as well, because that's the first we're going to put together. Yeah, unravel cables and be careful with it. Don't pull, don't hold it here and pull. All right, so we've unraveled all those cables. I think that will work. We are working right here in this area, so I'm going to put it forward a little, because this is where we're putting those cables in. This is what they want us to do, make sure that it's there, and this is where we are going to put that little LED light that we have. So let's get a screwdriver out. Let's get that little thing out, and the cable needs to go to the back, so it needs to be like that. Oh my goodness, it's so hard to properly put that together, guys. Oh, come on, come on. I think these FMs are too big. They're good. A lot of things coming loose, and we're not putting any more on than what you see right there. So the lights and the guns. All right, that's that for this stage, these stages and this build. So I'm going to put this away right there so you can see the whole thing. The wheel. We're not doing anything with these parts. Putting those lights on, those LED lights, was really hard. The screws wouldn't go in there. As you can see right there, that's from the previous stage, but we made that wheel, that one, and we put those cables on from here to there where you free. That's sticky tape right there, and that's it for this pack. Wow, guys, that was a hard one to put together, especially because there's nothing really to put it on, and there's so much fragile parts right there that you want to lean it there and there, but you know, and this jig is working, but when you're pushing, which you don't need to do, and which you shouldn't be doing, because you don't want to break stuff. But this is what we have at the moment. There's not much more to do because I haven't got any more. I haven't got any more parts for this part. So hope to see you next time. Please like, subscribe, and pass it on. And join me that next time when I do some more on this Lancaster or any of those in the background or on the posters behind me that you can see, or any of those are on my channel. So hope you will join me next time. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.